Hello, good morning students. Welcome back to the 6th lecture of class 10th subject, that is maths. Now in this lecture we will solve question number 3. In question number 3 it is given that obtain all other zeros of 3x4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5, and its two zeros are given, root 3 by 5 and minus root 5 by 3. So although it is having degree of polynomial as a 4, so we will obtain 4 zeros of this polynomial. So 2 zeros is given. So first we find out the gx for this polynomial. So here we'll write x minus 2 root 5 by 3 and root minus root 5 by 3 is 0 of polynomial. Okay, hence it will be x is equal to root 5 by 3 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus root 5 by 3 is equal to 0. So you will get here x minus root 3 by 5 5 by 3, and x, this will come here, so it will be plus root 5 by 3 is equal to 0. Now it will be now multiplied, so your gx is equal to x minus root 5 by 3 into x plus root 5 by 3. Okay, so you will get, now you know that it is based on a plus b, a minus b, so it will be x square, x whole square minus root 5 by 3 whole square. So you will get x square minus 5 by 3, because you know if you do the square of root number, roots are only removed. So your gx is this. Now you will divide by this number to this polynomial, so you will get your quotient. Again, if you do the splitting of the quotient, you will find the rest of the two zeros. Now first let's come to see how we will divide. Okay, so you got gx as x square minus 5 by 3. Although here x is not given, so you can write it as x square plus 0x minus 5 by 3. So you will divide by this number to the given polynomial. Okay, so you will write here 3x4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. Okay, now what to divide, what to multiply and kept over here, so that if you multiply with x square you get 3x4. So you will write 3x square, so you will get here 3x4 plus 0x cube minus, if you multiply 5 by 3 into 3x square, so you see to cancel here 3, so you will get 5x. So here you will write 5x square. Again you make it minus, here it is no need because it is 0, and this will be plus. So this is cancelled. Now we will write 6x cube, and this is plus and minus, so plus, you will get here 3x square. Okay, then again you will get this term down, so it will be minus 10x. Okay, so see, this is now again you have to do what? You have to put here such a term that you multiply with x square so that you get x cube. So x square is already there, so if you write here plus x, so if you multiply x square into 6x, you will get 6x cube here. 6x square into 6x into x square, so you will get 6x cube. Okay, so you can write here now 6x cube plus 0x square, done. Then minus plus minus minus, you will get 5 by 3. See, if you do here 5 by 3 into 6x, so 3 2, so you will get 10x. Okay, so you will get here 10x. Okay, so minus, this is no need, here it will be, now you will get here 3x square and minus 5. Okay, so by which number you will multiply to get here 3x square? Obviously you will put here plus 3. So if you do 3, you will get 3x square. 3 into 0, you will get 0, so no need to write. Then plus minus minus, and if you multiply here again 5 by 3 into 3, so you will get 5 this. So you can write here 5, now minus plus, you are getting now here 0 as a remainder. So if you get 0 as a remainder, you got the quotient over here. So this is your quotient. Now if you split this quotient, you will get the rest of the two 0. Now let's see how to split this quotient. You can write it, note down for a while. So your quotient is now quotient you have got here 3x square plus 6x plus 3. Okay, so you split, first you write the first term as it is 3x square, then plus and the last term 3. So if you multiply, you get 9. 3 into 3, you are getting here 9x square. So you have to now plus, it will be plus, so put the middle sign plus. Now you have to split this 6 in such a way that if you multiply the term, you get 9 equal to this, and if you plus the number, you get 6x. So if you put here 3x and 3x, so you see that if you multiply both these terms, you are getting 3 into 3, 9x square, and if you add, you are getting 6x. Now you take common in both this, so you will get here 3x as a common, so x plus 1 plus 1 you will get, so sorry, 3 you will take as a common, so x plus 1. Okay, so it will be x plus 1 and 1, it will be 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. This we will put it as equal to 0. Now x, see, now x plus 1, 3x plus 1, these two 0 we have obtained as we had done to divide this number, x square minus 5 by 3. In the similar way we have got over here. So we will do this both the number equal to 0. So x plus 1 is equal to 0 and 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. So you will get here x is equal to minus 1 and 3x is equal to minus 3, or you can write x is equal to minus 3 by 3. So you will get, how about minus 1? Minus 1 as here. So your next two value is x is equal to minus 1 and minus 1. Means two value you have got. Okay. So here we have obtained the two values. Already these two value is given and two values we obtained. So the next, the two remaining zeros is equal to minus 1 and minus 1. Correct? Okay, now coming to the second questions. Coming to second question, we see that question number 4 is given. Okay, I think might have noted. So question number 4 now we will do. Question number 4 is given that on dividing so question number 4 given is on dividing x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 by gx. Gx is divisor. Gx, the quotient and remainder where x minus 2 and minus 2x plus 4. So you can write simply that dividend, you know this already, that dividend you know it, that dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, this is the dividend. Now dividend is the given polynomial over here, so you write here x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 is equal to divisor means gx. So it is given on dividing this polynomial by gx. So you write gx as it is. Gx we have to find out into quotient. The quotient and remainder where means quotient and remainder where this and this respectively, means the value of quotient is this and the value of remainder is this. So value of quotient is this x minus 2 and remainder is minus 2x plus 4. Okay, so very simple, we have to find out this part. So first it is in plus, so we will just shift in this side. Okay, so it is x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. If you take this here minus, it will be 2. Sorry, it is in minus, so it will be here plus 2x. It is in plus, so it will be minus 4 is equal to here g x into x minus 2. So first of all x cube minus, so this is in 2x, so it will be, see the like terms are here 2x, so it will be as it is x cube minus 3x square plus 3x and this 2 minus 4, so it will be 3x, then minus 2 we will get, because it is greater. Now this is our now gx into x minus 2. Now see, this is in multiplication after equal to. So it is the method of equation that if it comes after or before equal to, it will be in division. So here we can write x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 divided by the number x minus 2 is equal to gx. Okay. Now what we need to do to find out gx, we have to just divide by this given polynomial by x minus 2. Okay. So we will divide here x minus 2 by this number. Okay. So this number we have to divide. First we write here this x minus 2 and given is x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2. Okay. So if you divide it by x minus 2, now what to do first? Here we can write, see, x cube is there, x is there. So you can write here as x square. So it will be x cube minus 2x square. Now it will be plus, sorry, it is minus because here is plus, so it will be minus, so it will be 0. Now it is plus, it is minus, so what we will get? Minus x square plus 3x. So again we will make, now here it is minus, so we have to obtain minus, so you will have to put minus here because here it is plus, so plus and minus, so minus x we will put, so it will be minus x square and minus plus will be there, 2 into x minus and minus plus, so it will be 2 into x, that is 2x. So this is the old one, we just rub it. So it will be now 2x. Now it will be here plus, it will be here minus, so this will be cancelled. Again this is 3x and minus. Now we have to take this sign always, whatever is changed. Okay. So 3x minus 2x, you will get x, and again these 2 will come down, minus 2. So x, first we have to get here x. So what we will put here? So we will put here plus 1. So plus 1 into x, you will get x, plus into minus, it will be minus 2. So it will be minus, it will be plus, so this will be cancelled, so you will get 0. So here you can say that the gx, hence the value of gx, this quotient ones, is equal to x square minus x plus 1 is the answer. Okay, now in the next lecture we will do the last question of this exercise, and we will also go ahead for the exercise 2.4. Thank you.